Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to organize your WooCommerce store? Let's add product categories in just 60 seconds. First of all, you need to download or install WooCommerce app. Then in your WordPress dashboard, go to products from here. Then categories. Here's where you will create and manage all your product groups. Type in your category name and add a slug if you want and choose a parent category if it's a subcategory. You can also write a short description and even upload a category image. Click add new category and boom, it's added. Now you can assign products to it when you are adding or editing items. And that's it. Quick and clean e-commerce organization. Follow for more bite-sized WordPress tips. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.